My restart is complete, so I now have the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature installed, but I still need to get a Linux distribution to really activate that. So I'm going to go to the Microsoft Store, and I'm going to search for Ubuntu. Got the slow search going. I have no internet. Let me reconnect. All that restarting, you know. Okay. Try that again. There we go. That's much better. Now, we do want this Ubuntu install. We have some other options here that we could use. Some lightweight setups and some different things, but this is the one we want. So, I'm going to install that. Look, I already own it. Now it is downloading. Things are very sporadic on how well they're working. Very busy time right now, internet-wise. So as it downloads, we'll look ahead a little bit and think about what we're going to do. Let's go back and do a little bit more searching. We can search for source code editors. That car out there. And notice this visual Cobol is a trial, means it costs money. We have some fancy slick edit, again, probably a little bit of money, but you're welcome to try. All sorts of different open source Cobol options. But I've been using Visual Studio Code lately. Have you been using that? It works pretty cool. And we'll be able to actually use it with our Ubuntu distribution. WSL is our Linux implementation running in Windows, the acronym. So we can actually run Visual Studio Code, and we'll be able to run it from our Linux window, this virtual machine that we're building here on Windows. And then we'll be able to do some editing with the great tools that we're used to using Visual Studio Code. There are some Cobol extensions even. So that's pretty cool. Well, while this installs, I'll go ahead and stop our video, and I'll be back to show you what to do as it gets done downloading.